Welcome to KiwiMelon Kids! Come sing and learn with us! Join the KiwiMelon Kids family!
Hello, kids! Welcome to the Mystery Box Surprise Game. Can you guess what is inside the box? Let's start the game. Here is the first clue. It is round and red. It grows on a tree. Can you guess what it is? It's an apple. Next clue. It has 4 wheels. It goes vroom vroom. What is it? It's a toy car. Next clue. It is soft and cuddly. Kids love to hug it. Can you guess? It's a teddy bear. Last clue. It says woof woof. It is a friendly pet. Guess the animal. It's a dog. Great job, kids! You guessed everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.